Yo, what is good, y'all? It is 13 minutes after market opened, and I already have all my confluences added onto the chart. But overall, I'm kind of in between bullish and bearish because we're not really having a strong draw of liquidity today, let's say, and we were within a range. If I do scroll out, you could see we were within a range right over here, and then we broke out, but obviously we're not showing that much volume. So overall today, I don't think we're gonna have, you know, that crazy volume, but we'll see. Honestly, we have news in 15 minutes, and you could see ES is kind of wanting to come down lower, while NQ is kind of, honestly, both of them are showing different things, so it is a bit confusing, but overall, I'm just gonna wait it out. I don't want to rush things like I did last trade. But yeah, see, what I don't like is that we broke. I mean, if we break this high, then I'll obviously look for a long. Overall, it's a bit bullish here because we did tap into the hourly, and then the 15, and then the 5-minute. So we could see us potentially going upwards. I mean, I wouldn't mind taking a trade like this. This wouldn't be that bad, but I would need like a 1-minute fair value gap that we actually can react off, which would probably be this one. So if we get a good reaction here, I wouldn't mind taking a long. This would be the break even. And then right here would be the full TP. Yeah, it looks like we're pushing upwards now. I might be patient though, because I'm pretty sure we should be able to retrace within here once we tap in this high here. I mean, hopefully we can retrace. There really was no good entry unless I entered off here. Wow. And we're just pushing up now. Okay, well. Just missed out on that. Nice. And it seems like we're pushing higher. Nice. Okay, so we gotta reanalyze this now. Our closest hourly fair value gap is up here, and we just swept that high. And we are within a 4-hour fair value gap too, so interesting. Damn, I wish we took that trade, to be honest. If we reversed and tapped into that inverse, That would have been a nice trade. Very nice trade. We're just continuing upwards. Nice. I'm probably gonna wait until after news, but this was only the setup I saw after market open. There really was no other setup. Couldn't really take a short unless it was pre-market. But yeah, probably gonna wait after news. So I'm gonna pause this real quick and then we'll come back. Alright, since we missed the initial move up, I might be looking to take a trade. It would be a long. I mean, to be honest, this isn't gonna be the best setup because, like I said, we already missed the initial move up, and it might be a little, I don't know. There might be something wrong with it, but I'm just taking a look at it, and right now, it looks pretty clear that price wants to come back upwards. We're not really showing any bearishness other than this move downwards, but you know, we're back up here again, and if we can come down to these fair value gaps, then I'll probably look for something. But I do want to see how we react off it first. Also, if we close above this inverse, that'll be good. You could see on ES this was like a perfect sweep. Swept this low and then we just reverse. So that looks pretty good. But I definitely will want to see how we close. And then if we close above this, then that's legit perfect. But we just had our candle close like 15 seconds ago, so we gotta wait like 45 seconds. I'm gonna be patient. Ideally I don't even want to trade. And we can target at like some high highs. Like I believe we definitely can go higher because look how much we just plummeted. So this would just be the break even, not even TP. Alright, 15 seconds left. Price is looking very nice. Okay, we just closed. What the fuck? That was literally like a 10-second
order filled
early closure. Bro, I don't know what kind of bullshit that was on, honestly. What the fuck was that? Okay. I'll take a trade on
order filled
Alpha 2. Alpha was a little bit later. I legit forgot I was supposed to trade on Alpha. So I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even on Alpha right now because just because I entered late, I do not want to get fucked over by losing too much. Okay, so our trade just hit our, or is about to hit our break even. I'm gonna wait until it hits a break even and I'll scale down to the higher time frame. Oh, I might have jinxed it. Anyways, okay. So we just hit that high. Our next target that we can aim for, honestly, could be around here. Wait, what? Oh, oops. Okay. So I had to use this one. This would be a 15-minute. So obviously this is kind of like crazy. and like the chances of us actually hitting that is like very low and slim. But that would be the next target because I mean, look, there's really not much. I mean, we can target this 15-minute inverse here, but I highly doubt that we're gonna like go all the way up here or even
Order
here. Oh
filled.
shit, oh my
Order
god.
filled.
Okay, well, we just got stopped at a break even. Nice. Okay. I mean, honestly, I would just take a break even for the day. You really could not convert. Like, honestly, we could take a short though. Shorts wouldn't be looking that bad. But I'm just fiending to take a trade then. I mean, overall, the setup would have been amazing if we just came back down to that 1 minute. But honestly, I should have just risked it and took a trade off that just closure. I think me marking out my charts now is way clearer because back then I used to use just GAN boxes and that was kind of messy. However, this is like it's a little easier to read now. Let's see what we could have improved on. I mean, we honestly could have taken a trade here. That would be a little bit risky because we wouldn't see how the candle would want to close. Because we definitely could have came back to the EQ of this, this or these upward candles, these bullish candles. I don't know why I said upward candles, but yeah. I mean, overall it's still bearish. I mean, bullish. I only see us being bearish if we come back all the way down here and then we close below it. So I think it might come down to because we have a BPR here. On top of that, we have a SMT here, small s SMT. I wouldn't mind something like that. Coming back all the way down to those lows. Wow. Damn, I do want to enter, but like this is kind of risky, not gonna lie. I might just pause this very quick, and if I'll enter, then I'll enter, but other than that, I don't think I will. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done. You could see that the move of the day, oh my god, the move of the day is already, like, it's pretty much finished, and we're not really moving that much now. I'm still bullish, and we probably will come up, tap into these highs again, and potentially go up even higher, but that's gonna be like, what, within the next couple of hours. So I'm probably not gonna wait for that, and I'm just gonna call it a day. But yeah, kind of sucks that we just end up missing a nice setup, but we just kind of move on to the next day. But yeah, that sums up the day.